Welcome to Zukkun Knows. The universe is vast, ancient, and mind-bendingly strange. While we've mapped planets, studied stars, and sent probes to the edge of the solar system, many parts of space still leave even scientists scratching their heads. Today, we're diving into 10 of the most bizarre, awe-inspiring, and straight-up puzzling discoveries ever made in the cosmos. 1. The Buerts Void. The Buerts Void, also known as the Great Nothing, is one of the largest known voids in the universe. It spans a staggering 330 million light-years in diameter, which is so massive it could fit thousands of Milky Way galaxies. And yet within this enormous volume of space, there is almost nothing, just a few dozen galaxies. Scientists are puzzled. How did such a vast emptiness form in a universe that's supposed to be evenly filled with matter? Some have suggested that the Buerts Void might be a region untouched by galaxy formation, or even the result of a collision with another universe. The idea that such a gigantic hole in space could exist challenges our assumptions about the uniformity of cosmic structure and continues to be one of the great mysteries in cosmology. 2. The Metal Planet, TOI 849 b TOI 849b, is a planet discovered by NASA's TESS telescope that's about the size of Neptune. But its density is so high that it's believed to be made almost entirely of metal. Scientists think it may be the exposed core of a gas giant whose outer layers were stripped away. How that stripping happened, through tidal forces, violent collisions, or interactions with its star, is still unclear. But the existence of a metal world challenges conventional models of planetary formation. Studying this planet gives astronomers rare insights into the internal structure of gas giants, offering a glimpse at what lies beneath the thick atmospheres of planets like Jupiter. 3. The Coldest Star, WISE 1828 plus 2650. This brown dwarf is cooler than the human body, just 80 degrees, 27 degrees C. It's what astronomers call a failed star. It had enough mass to begin the process of collapse but never ignited nuclear fusion like a normal star. Its frigid temperature and extremely dim light forced astronomers to re-examine their understanding of stellar classification. Can something that cold still be a star? Apparently, yes. This discovery redefined the lower boundary of what can be considered a star and suggested that many more such objects may be lurking undetected in our galactic neighborhood. 4. The Dark Flow. Clusters of galaxies across the observable universe appear to be drifting in the same direction, toward a specific region of the sky. This movement, dubbed dark flow, defies explanations based on known gravitational forces and cosmic expansion. One hypothesis is that massive structures exist outside our observable universe, pulling everything toward them with gravity. The idea is controversial, but the evidence, detected via measurements of the cosmic microwave background, is difficult to ignore. 5. The Glass Raining Planet, HD 1897333b HD 189733b, is a gas giant located 64 light-years from Earth. Its atmosphere contains silicate particles, giving the planet its vivid blue color. But those particles also result in sideways rainstorms of molten glass, combined with winds exceeding 5,400 mph or 8,700 km/h. It's one of the most extreme and inhospitable weather systems ever discovered. 6. The Early Monster Black Hole, J1342 plus 0928. This black hole formed just 690 million years after the Big Bang, yet it already had a mass of 800 million suns. The sheer speed at which it grew is a mystery. Our current understanding of black hole growth doesn't account for such massive entities forming so quickly. Its existence suggests that early universe conditions may have allowed for much more rapid black hole evolution. 7. Space Alcohol, Sagittarius B2. Near the center of our galaxy lies Sagittarius B2, a massive cloud of gas and dust containing ethyl alcohol and other organic molecules. It's over 1,000 times the size of our solar system. While you can't get drunk off it, because it also contains toxic compounds, it's proof that the building blocks of life can form in the harsh environment of space. The presence of organic molecules here strengthens theories about life's potential outside Earth. 8. The cosmic web. On the largest scale, the universe isn't a random scatter of galaxies. It's a web. This cosmic web consists of galaxy clusters aligned along massive filaments of dark matter and separated by voids. When seen through simulation and observation, it looks eerily like a biological structure. Some compare it to neurons or connective tissue. It's a visual and scientific reminder of the hidden order shaping the universe. 9. Star X9 and its death spiral. Deep within the dense stellar environment of the globular cluster 47 Tucanae, astronomers discovered an extraordinary and terrifying celestial dance. Here, a white dwarf star, designated X9, orbits a black hole with a period of just 28 minutes. This is not only the shortest known orbital period between a star and a black hole, but also one of the most extreme examples of gravitational interaction in our galaxy. To put it into perspective, the Earth takes 365 days to orbit the Sun, Mercury takes 88 days, and even the International Space Station orbits Earth in about 90 minutes. But X9 is completing its death-defying orbit around a black hole in less than half an hour, at velocities that stretch the limits of astrophysical endurance. This incredible closeness comes with a price. The immense gravitational pull of the black hole is exerting intense tidal forces on X9, so powerful that it is gradually stripping the star of its outer layers. Over time, this process may completely unmake the star, pulling it apart atom by atom and feeding its remnants into the black hole's accretion disk. Astronomers believe that this stellar pairing didn't happen by chance. In such crowded environments as globular clusters, gravitational encounters between stars are far more frequent than in calmer galactic neighborhoods. It's likely that the black hole captured X9 during a close encounter, binding it into this deadly gravitational ballet. The system also provides a valuable laboratory for studying extreme physics. X9 emits strong X-ray and radio signals, allowing scientists to observe how matter behaves in the intense space-time curvature near a black hole. It's a rare, real-world example of Einstein's predictions playing out under the most brutal conditions imaginable. Eventually, X9 may cross the event horizon, the point of no return, and vanish forever from the observable universe. Until then, it continues its mad orbit, a cosmic tightrope walker spiraling closer to oblivion, step by perilous step. 10. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is, without exaggeration, the largest known structure in the observable universe. Spanning an estimated 10 billion light-years across, it's a cosmic formation so vast that it challenges one of the foundational principles of cosmology itself. This enormous structure is not a single object like a star or a galaxy, but rather a supercluster of galaxies, stretching across a mind-boggling portion of the sky. It was first identified in 2013 when astronomers studying the distribution of gamma-ray bursts, the brightest electromagnetic events in the universe, noticed a peculiar clustering. These gamma-ray bursts, which typically occur when massive stars collapse or neutron stars merge, seem to concentrate in a particular region, revealing the outline of a massive galactic wall. What makes the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall truly shocking is that it violates the cosmological principle, the assumption that, on large enough scales, the universe is homogeneous and isotropic. According to this principle, no matter where you look in the cosmos, things should average out. But the existence of such an enormous, lopsided structure suggests that the universe might be more clumpy and asymmetric than we previously thought. If the Great Wall is confirmed as a single coherent structure, rather than a statistical anomaly or projection error, it would mean that our current models of structure formation in the universe are incomplete or even flawed. It raises deep questions. How could such a massive formation have come into being so early in the history of the universe? Did gravitational interactions alone pull billions of galaxies into alignment, or is there an unknown mechanism at work? To put its size in perspective, light, traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, would take over 10 billion years to cross it. That's nearly 3/4 of the universe's entire age. Some scientists even speculate that such structures may not be bound by gravity at all, but instead represent a fossil imprint of ancient conditions, remnants from a time when the universe was far younger and more turbulent. In short, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall doesn't just stretch our understanding of space, it breaks the scale. It's a stark reminder that even after centuries of astronomy, the cosmos still holds surprises that dwarf even our wildest theories. Thanks for watching Zukkun Knows. Which of these space anomalies shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries every single week.